with me about question letter A. He won't find which of the following seats is the greatest expression. To find the values here, or choose the values which reverse to seats of greatest expression by find the range. We can find the range about letter A and letter B and letter C and letter D and choose the greatest result. The greatest result is meaning the difference between maximum and the minimum. Okay, look at letter A. The maximum number here was 40, right? 40. Subtract by smallest number here 17. Okay, the result will be 23. And letter B here, greatest number 40. Subtract smallest number here, it was 27. The result will be 13. And letter C, we can find the difference between 41, the greatest number, and the smallest number here was 18. And here 11 minus 8, it will be 3, and 3 minus 1 2, it will be 23, like this number. Letter D, we can find the difference between 40 and 7. The result will be 33. So we must choose the letter D. Letter D refers to the greatest expression. The greatest expression, meaning the range will be greatest. Question number 2, we have function here. If f of x minus 4 equal x plus 3, then f of 3 equal space. Okay, to solve this example, we must cancel negative 4 here by 8, positive 4 to left hand side, right hand side. Then we will put f of x minus 4 plus 4 equal x plus 3 plus 4. Then we can cancel negative 4 by positive 4, it will be x, and write x here plus 3 plus 4 equals 7. It's the function. Then he won't find the value of 3. Write 3 here, 3 plus 7, it will be 10. The result here will be 10 about question number 2. Question number 3. If e belonging to x power 2, where x equal set of x such that x belonging to natural number and x greater than 5 and less than 7, then x here will be what? Write 6. Okay, he want to find the point A will be e belonging to x2, it's meaning e, it's the order of 6 and itself, because e belonging to x2, it's point here. Then a will be this point 6 and 6 because it's a point, and x set of 6, then a, it will be x product by itself, the Cartesian product about x power 2, it will be here x Cartesian product with itself, the set of 6 product by set of 6. The result will be a equal here set of 6 and 6. Okay, and a here belonging to x here set of this, we know x2, it will be 6 and 6. Then a, it's a point belonging to x2, then a will be 6 and 6. Understood? Choose letter C. Question letter B, prove that left hand side, right hand side, if A and B and C and D are continuous progression, prove that. Okay, we have here E over B equal, you tell us continuous progression. It's meaning E over B equal B over C equal C over D equal M, and M not equal 0. Then we can write here E equal D M power 3 and B equal dm power 2 and c equal dm. Then to left hand side here we can find a subtract by 2b over b subtract 2c. Now we will put here a, the value of it will be dm power 3 subtract 2 times b dm power 2 over b here equal b was dm power 2 subtract 2 product by c dm, and then write the head factor between them, write the outside, and m power 2, the result here remainder will be m, and the remainder from the second term here write 2 and d out and m power 2 out. Okay, and here write d and m, and the difference here it will be m, subtract by this term by this term, it will be 2, and then we can cancel d by d and m power 2 by m, and this brackets by this brackets, the result will be here m. And on right hand side we have here 3p subtracted by 4c over 3c subtracted by 4d. 3p, put p here, equal dm power 2, right, 3 dm power 2 subtract 4c, 4 product by c was dm, over 3c, c product c here equal dm, subtract 4d, 4 product by d here, right, 4d only. And then we can complete by write height common factor between them. It will be dm height common factor, the result will be 3m, subtract by here the remainder will be 4, and denominator write d outside, the result will be 3m minus 4, and then cancel this by this and this by this, the result will be here m. It's the result about this question. The left hand side right equal 100%, it will be m. Okay, question number 2, choose the correct answer. Letter A, if E 3 p and 5 is proportion, then 5a subtract 3p plus 4 equal what? He give us proportion about a over 3 equal p over 5. Then we can write constant here m, and m not equal 0, then a will be 3 multiplication by m, and b equal 5 product by m. Then 5a subtract 3p plus 4 equal 5 times a, 5 times 3m, subtract 3p equal here 5m plus 4. Then the result here, it will be 15m, subtract by 15m plus 4. We can cancel this by this, the result will be what? 4. Okay, choose letter P. Next question, number 2. Which of the following is direct version between x and y? Direct, we will choose x over 5, it will be y over 3. Okay, choose letter P. Question number 3. If f of x equal x power k plus 3 plus 2k is polynomial of second degree, and k is the constant in f of 2 equal. He tell us this expression polynomial of second degree. Okay, its meaning the power here equal what? It will be 2. K plus 3 here equal to if k equal -1. Okay, because it's polynomial of second degree, then the power here must be right here too. Then k will be -1, then f of x will be x power 2, f of x equal x power 2 plus 2 product by k, then f of x, it will be x power 2 subtract by 2. It's a function here. You want to find f of 2, put x equal to 2 power 2 minus 2, it will be 4 minus 2, the result will be 2. Okay, understood? Next question, calculate the mean and standard deviation of the following. You have data 7, 12, 6. Okay, we can find x bar equals to the mean. The sum of all values divides the number of the values. 7 plus 12 plus 6 plus 15 plus 10 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the mean will be 7 plus 12 to 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 15, it will be 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 over 5, it will be 10. It will be x bar. And then draw the table here, contains of 3 vertical here, x and x subtract x bar, all power 2. And then write the values here. He give us 7 minus 10, we have here 7 minus 10 to negative 3, it will be 9. And 12 minus 10, it will be 2. 2 power 2, it will be 4. And then 6 minus 10, it will be negative 4. Power 2, it will be 16. And then next number here was what? 15. Minus 10, it will be 5. Power 2, it will be 5. And then write 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Power 2, 0. Okay. Then we can find sigma, standard deviation, square root of the sum of these values, 25 plus 25, 16 plus 9, 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 4 will be 54, over the number of the values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can use a calculator to find the result and approximate it to the nearest tenths, or write 3 digits to the left hand side. Write 54 divided by 5, and then find the square root of answer. The result will be 3.28. Understood? Now, next question, number 3. If x equals set of 1, 2, 3, and y equals set of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and our relation from x to y, a relation with b means b subtract by a equal 1, then we can find the relation here, p subtract by a equal 1, write 2 and 1, 2 minus 1 equal 1, and 3 minus 2 it will be 1, and 4 minus 3 it will be 1. The relation between a and b. Okay, and then represent our diagram between x and y. Draw x and y, x 1, 2, 3, and y here 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then from 2 to 1, from 3 to, from 4 we have here relation p minus a equal 1. We can write 1 with 2. Again, relation here. He tell us p minus a equal 1, then a here 1, and here 2. Okay, 2, choose 1, but put a equal 1 and b equal 1 with 0. 1 minus 0, here choose a and b. Okay, we have x and y and relation between them. It means b minus a equal 1, then will be a equal, we can move here, a equal b minus 1. Okay, put a here, or put b equals 0. If b equals 0 here, this relation, if b equals 0, then a will be negative 1, so 0 we can't find the result. Okay, again, put b equal 1, then a will be 0. Understood? And then put b equal 2 here, then a will be 1. And then put b equal 3, then a will be 2. And then put b equal 4 here, then a will be 3. Okay, understood? Okay, and then draw x and y, x 1, 2, 3, and here 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then draw from 0 to 1. We haven't 0 here, because if you put B1 0 we haven't, since this point cancel it. And 1 and 2, 1 2, okay, it's here, and 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. Solution about this question. Okay, pay attention about this example, it's very important. We have here R is a function. Why? Because each element in X has one image in Y. Because each element in X has one image in Y. Okay, it's function. Next question. If X plus Y over 5 equal Y plus Z over 8 equal Z plus X equal over 7, prove that X to Y to Z equal 2, 3 to 5. Okay, we want to prove that the ratio between X and Y and Z 2, 3 and 5. We can add all numerator by us. We can find X plus Y plus Y plus Z plus Z plus X over 5 plus 8 plus 7. 5 plus 8 equal 13, 13 plus 7 equal 20, and we have here 2x and 2y and 2z equal each ratio. In ratio here, then we can divide it by 2 to simplify it. Then x plus y plus z over 10 equal each one of the solution. It's the first equation. And you find the ratio between x and y and z equal 2 and 3 and 5. We can find the ratio between x and y. How? We can cancel y and z by product by second projection between -1. Product -1 to the second here and add the result to first and third. Then we can write x plus y minus z plus x over 5 minus 8 plus 7. And then we can cancel z by z and y by y. The result will be here 2x over 5 minus 8 will be -3 plus 7, it will be 4. Then the result will be x over 2. It's relation number 1. The result will be h relation or h ratio. Type. Okay, it's the first relation. Then the next relation here, we can cancel y or cancel from this part here. Where part? This part. Product the third by -1 and is the result to first and third. Okay, to cancel z and x, you must product the third proportional by -1 and is the result to first and second. Then we can write x plus y plus z minus x, okay, over 5 plus 8 minus 7. We can cancel x by x and z by z. The result will be 2y. And 7 plus 8, 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Then the result will be y over 3. It's relation number 2. And what about relation number 3? We can cancel x and y by product this ratio by -1 and add the result to second and third. Then we can product this ratio. It will be -x minus y plus z plus x over -5 plus 8 plus 7. We can cancel -x by x and -y by 1. Then the result will be 2z over -5 plus 8 equal 3. 3 plus 7, it will be 10. And then you can simplify it by divided by 2. The result will be z over 5. It's relation number 3. Okay, we have from relation 1 and 2 and 3. Then x over 2 will be equal y over 3. It will be z over 5. Then we can prove that the ratio between x and y and z will be 2 and 3 and 5. Okay, ratio between, okay, then x over 2 equal y over 3 equals z over 5. Then the ratio between x and y and z, it will be 2 and 3 and 5. Okay, understood? You must know the steps about this example. To solve an example like this example, you must do this properties, but this properties we can't use it here. Okay, but we used the first proportional, second proportional, third proportional, product by -1 to the third and is the result to first and second, and then product the second by -1 and is the result to second ratio and third ratio, and then product -1 to the second ratio and product it by -1, then is the result to first proportional and third proportional. Then we can find x over 2 and y over 3 and 2 and z over 5, they are equal. Then we prove that by using these properties. Next question, number 4. If the curve of the function f r to r, where f of x equal m subtracted by x power 2 intersect x-axis at -2 and k, finds the value of m power k plus 2m. Okay, we have function here f x equal m subtracted by x power 2 intersect x-axis. It's meaning what? Like this curve here, intersect it x-axis here at -2 and k. Intersect x-axis, it's meaning what? It's meaning here y will be 0, then k will be equal 0, because this curve intersect x-axis, it's meaning y equals 0. We have x and y, then k equals 0. Then the point here it will be -2 and 0. This point will be -2 and 0. Okay. Okay, he would find the value of m power k plus 2m. Okay, this point lies in the curve. This point will be solve this curve. To find the value of m, put x equal -2 and k equals 0 or y equals 0 here. Then put -2 and 0 in this equation. We have f of x, it's meaning y. Okay, put y equals 0 and then write m, subtract by x power 2, it will be 4, -2 power 2, 4. Then m here will be 4. Okay, then we have m power equal 4 and k equals 0. Then the value will be what? M power k, 4 power 0 plus 2 product by value of m. The value of m will be 4. The result will be 4 power 0, 1. 1 plus 2 power of times 4 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. The result will be 9. Question letter B. Two integers numbers, the ratio between them is 2 and 3, and if we add the add to the first 7 and subtract from the second 12, the ratio between them become 5 to 3. Find the two numbers. Okay, first step, we have two integers numbers, the ratio between them is 2 and 3. We will put the first will be 2x and the second will be 3x. And if we add to the first 7, 2x plus 7, and subtract from the second 12, 3x subtract by 12, then the ratio will be them. Okay, the ratio between them will be equal 5 to 3. Then we can find the value of x in the simplest form. The product of streams equals the product of means. 3 times 2 equals 6x plus 3 times 7 equals 21. 5 times 3x, it will be 15. X and 5 times 12, it will be 60. And then moved here, 15x minus 6x, it will be 9x, and 21 plus 60, 6 plus 2 equal 8, x equal 9. Okay, then the value of x equal 9. Then the first number will be 2 times 9, it will be 80, and second number 3 times 9, it will be 27. Okay, we have two numbers here, 18 and 27. Question number 5. If y equal e minus 9 and y, we have inverse relation between x1, between xy and x2. We have inverse, direct inverse here. And e equal 18 when x equal 2 over 3. Then about this relation, we can put y equal m over x power 2 which m the constant not equal 0. Okay, and then put y in this relation a minus 9. A minus 9, it will be m over x power 2. Okay, and when a equal, he give us a equal 18, and x was equal to over 3, we can find the constant m. Put a equal 18, 18 minus 9 equal m over x power 2, x here to over 3 power 2, it will be 4 over 9. Then 18 minus 9, it will be 9 equal m over 4 over 9. Then m equal 9 times 4 over 9. Can cancel 9 by 9, then m equal 4. The value of m here equal 4. Then the relation will be what? Y equal 4 over x power 2. Okay, and then you won't find y when x equal 1. Y will be 1. When x equal 1, y will be 4. Okay, this relation. Put in this relation, then the relation will be y equal 4 x power 2. Okay, and then we can write at x equal 1, then y equal 4 over 1, it will be 4. Then y, it will be 4. Okay, y will be equal what? Equal 4. Question letter B, find in the opposite figure B and C. Okay, we have here curve here, this curve here, and this point C, and this point B, and this point 0 and negative 7, and we have triangle here side. He give us f of x equal lx bar 2 subtract by 7. It's a function f of x equal lx bar 2 subtract by 7. Okay, and the area was equal 21 square centimeter. We know the area equal half times base times the height. This height was 7 lengths. Half product by CP, this length multiplication by height was 7 equal 21. Then we can find the length CP equal what? 2 times 21 divided by 7. 2 product by 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then CP will be 6 units. Then from CP we have O here. It's a line symmetry between the base. Then it will be divided, it will be equality. Then the length of CB was 6 units. Then the length here will be 3 units and then 3 units. In the point B it will be 3 and 0. And this point it will be negative 3 and 0. Okay, we have 3 and 0. And here negative 3 and 0. Okay, then we can find the constant P and CLL. P here it will be 3 and 0, and C negative 3 and 0, and we have L. Where L in this function? Okay, we can find L here. Put any point in this function. This function, it's meaning what? It's meaning y equal lx bar 2 minus 7, because f of x reverses to y. Choose any point and write in this equation. This point 3 and 0 satisfies this point. We have 3 and 0 satisfies the equation y. Then this equation of the curve, put 3 equal x and y equal 0. Then 0 equal 3 power 2 9 multiplication by L subtract by 7. Then we can move the negative 7 to left hand side. 7 equal 9L. Then L will be equal 7 over 9. The value of L, it will be 7 over 9. Okay, understood? Then we have the constant C negative 3 and 0, constant B 3 and 0, and L equals 7 over 9. It's the end of questions. Okay, goodbye.